Welcome to Everyday English Practice.
Hi there. Is this seat taken?
Oh, no. You can sit here.
Thanks. My name is David.
Nice to meet you, David. I'm Stacy.
Nice to meet you too, Stacy. Are you waiting for someone?
No, I just came here to have some coffee and read. What about you?
Same here. I come to this cafe almost every weekend. It's quiet and cozy.
Yeah, I like the atmosphere here. The music is relaxing.
Do you live around here?
Yes, just a few blocks away. I moved here last year.
Oh, really? Where did you live before?
I lived in Chicago. But now I work here, so I moved.
That's cool. What do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. I design posters and ads.
Nice. That sounds creative. I work as a teacher.
A teacher? That's great. What do you teach?
I teach English at a local school.
Oh, that's funny. I'm trying to improve my English too.
Really? You speak very well.
Thanks, but I still make mistakes sometimes.
Don't worry, everyone does. So, do you like living here?
Yes, I do. It's smaller than Chicago, but it's peaceful.
I agree. The people are friendly.
True. And there are many parks. I love walking there in the evening.
Me too. Sometimes I go jogging in the park near the river.
That's nice. I'm not a runner, but I enjoy walking with music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop and a little bit of jazz. What about you?
I love rock music. Old bands like Queen or the Beatles.
Oh, I love the Beatles. Hey Jude is one of my favorites.
Mine too. Do you play any instruments?
Not really. I tried guitar once, but I was terrible.
Ha ha ha, same here. I play a little piano, but not very well.
What do you usually do in your free time?
I read books, watch movies, and sometimes travel.
Oh, I love traveling. Where have you been?
I've been to Italy, France, and Japan.
Wow, Japan. That's on my dream list.
You should go one day. The food is amazing.
Speaking of food, what's your favorite dish?
I love pizza. I could eat it every day.
Same here. But I also like sushi.
Sushi is great. There's a good sushi place near the station.
Really? Maybe I'll try it this weekend.
What about you? Do you cook at home?
Yes, sometimes. I like cooking pasta or soup.
That sounds nice. I'm not good at cooking.
Haha, do you at least make coffee?
Of course. I make very good coffee.
Then you're already a chef in my book.
So do you like movies?
Yes. I watch a lot of them. I like comedies and romantic films.
I prefer action or science fiction.
Oh, like Marvel movies?
Exactly. I love Spider-Man.
Me too. He's funny and brave.
What's your favorite movie?
Probably The Notebook. It's so emotional.
I've seen it. It's really touching.
Do you go to the cinema often?
Not very often. I usually watch movies at home.
Same. It's more comfortable.
True, and cheaper.
Definitely.
How about weekends? What do you usually do?
I meet my friends or go shopping. Sometimes I just stay home and rest.
That's nice. I usually play basketball or read,
Do you play in a team?
just with friends for fun.
That's cool. I'm terrible at sports.
Haha, that's okay. Everyone has different hobbies.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat. His name is Milo.
Ah, cute. I love cats. I have one too. Her name is Bella.
That's a lovely name. What color is she?
She's white with green eyes.
Nice. Milo is orange and very lazy.
Ha ha ha. Bella is the same. Cats are funny.
So do you like traveling alone or with friends?
With friends, I think. It's more fun.
I agree. But sometimes I travel alone to relax.
Yeah, that's true. Traveling alone can be peaceful.
By the way, how long have you lived here?
For about 1 year. And you?
Almost 5 years. I moved here for work.
Oh, so you know the city well. Maybe you can show me around someday.
Sure, I'd love to. There are many nice places to visit.
That would be great.
So, do you come to this cafe often?
Not really. It's my second time here. But I like it.
I come almost every Saturday. Maybe I'll see you again?
That would be nice. Maybe next time we can have coffee together.
I'd like that. So, Stacy, how do you like the weather today?
It's nice, not too hot, not too cold. Just perfect for a walk.
Yes, autumn is my favorite season. The air feels fresh.
I like spring better. Flowers, sunshine, everything looks alive.
That's true. But I don't like the pollen. I sneeze a lot.
Ha 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 ha, poor you. Do you get allergies often?
Only in spring. The rest of the year is fine.
Do you like winter?
Yes, especially when it snows. The city looks beautiful.
Same. I love snow. I like drinking hot chocolate and watching movies on cold nights.
That sounds perfect. I usually bake cookies in winter.
Really? I didn't know you could bake.
Well, not very well, but I try.
What were you like as a kid, David?
I was very shy and quiet. I liked reading and drawing.
That's cute. I was talkative and curious. I asked my parents a lot of questions.
Haha, sounds like you were a smart kid.
Maybe. I liked painting and writing short stories.
Oh, you write? That's interesting. Do you still write now?
Sometimes. I keep a small journal. I write about my day.
That's a nice habit. It helps clear your mind.
Yes, and it helps with my English too.
Do you read books in English?
Yes, easy ones. I just finished Charlotte's Web.
Oh, that's a beautiful story.
What kind of books do you read?
Mostly biographies and travel stories.
Biographies? That sounds interesting. Any favorites?
I like the one about Steve Jobs. He changed the world with technology.
Oh, yes, Apple guy. Do you like technology?
A lot. I love trying new gadgets and apps.
Me too. But sometimes I think we use our phones too much.
I agree. People forget to look around and enjoy real life.
Exactly. I sometimes take a phone-free day.
That's a good idea. Maybe I should try that too.
If you could live anywhere in the world, where would it be?
Hmm, maybe Italy. I love the food and the culture.
Oh, that's nice. I'd love to live in Japan. It's so organized and peaceful.
True, the people there are so polite.
Yes. And the cherry blossoms are beautiful in spring.
Definitely. Have you ever been abroad?
Only once, to Spain. It was for a short trip, but I loved it.
What did you like most about it?
The energy, the food, and the music. People were so friendly.
Sounds wonderful.
Do you like traveling by plane?
Not really. I'm a bit afraid of flying.
Oh, really? I love flying. I like looking at the clouds.
I prefer trains. They feel calmer.
Yeah, trains are relaxing too. You can look at the scenery.
Speaking of travel, do you like the sea or the mountains more?
The sea. I love swimming and walking on the beach.
I prefer mountains. I like hiking and breathing the fresh air.
That's great. Maybe one day we can plan a trip. Sea and mountains both.
Haha, that would be fun.
What time do you usually wake up?
Around 7 a.m., I'm a morning person.
Wow, I'm the opposite. I love sleeping late.
Haha, you're a night owl then.
Yes, I do my best work at night.
I wish I could. I'm half asleep after 10 p.m.
What's your dream job, David?
Maybe to travel the world and teach English in different countries.
That sounds amazing.
What about you? What's your dream job?
I want to be a travel photographer one day.
Wow, that's creative. You could mix art and adventure.
Exactly. I want to see new places and meet new people.
That's a great dream.
Do you like city life or countryside life more?
I think countryside life. It's calm and green.
I agree. But I also like the convenience of the city.
True. Maybe a small town is the best balance.
Yes, not too busy, not too quiet. So, what are your plans for the weekend?
Maybe go hiking if the weather is nice.
I might visit the art museum and then meet my friends for dinner.
Sounds like a great plan. It's been such a nice conversation.
Yes, I really enjoyed it. You're easy to talk to. Maybe we can meet again next week?
Sure. Same cafe, same time?
Perfect. I'll be here.
Great. Have a lovely evening, Stacy.
You too, David. See you soon.
See you.